Eden is to nourish and fertilize the land for the new beginning.
He is Eros, the Roman god of love and the sun. Often shown as a beautiful winged figure. His main symbols include the bow and arrow, which is a hard weapon to master. But that signifies love is hard, but it's not impossible. His wings represents the sweet and unpredictable nature of love. He wears a light robe or sash, symbolizing purity and innocence, or a laurel wreath, representing eternal affection. Together, his outfit and symbols express the beauty, power, and mystery of love. Again, he is Eros, the Roman god of love and the sun. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the representatives of the Great Dead Sea for the Roman gods and goddesses.
What a wonderful morning to us. I am the representative of Grade 10 Church, a courteous student, and my name is Rachel Limpayos, and we both stand in front of you today, united as one, because alone we can do so little, yet together we can do so much. To ready your hearts to get shot by our Cupid. Now meet my companion, Nick Agabao.
And I am Nick Agabao, representing Time for the Sea as your Cupid, the Roman god of love.
Inspired by Hathor, the ancient Egyptian goddess of love and joy, the ensemble features a flowing white or gold gown made of soft, sheer fabric, complemented by gold accessories in a broad gold collar. A shining crown completes the look, symbolizing beauty, power, and divine grace. Hathor, known as the Lady of Heaven, brought happiness and harmony to both gods and humans.
Derived from the ancient Egyptian god Ra, the god of the sun, the costume consists of a traditional Egyptian gown made from some fabric along with its glowing yellow cape that represents the journey of Ra in the sky to bring light and warmth to the world. Its gold itself representing Ra's authority, the sun above symbolizes the life-giving, the cycle of day and the night, and protection, along with the golden Egyptian accessories. This light reminds us that even after dark, there will always be a new day. God of the sun and creation can give warmth and a light for humans. Ra. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Egyptian god and goddesses from the Great Dead Sea.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum.
Everyone. My name is Pratyusha L. Melay Parambil
And I am Justin of M. Mulabong,
from Ten Blissfulness,
representing
Egypt.
Greece is renowned for its rich Greek mythology, which served as inspiration for this outfit dedicated to Apollo, the god of sun, poetry, prophecy, music, and more. The headpiece features Apollo's iconic laurel wreath, symbolizing victory and music. The sun on top of his head represents Apollo's pivotal role in bringing life, knowledge, and understanding to humanity. In his hand, he holds a lyre, also known as Apollo's lyre, embodying his divine roles as the god of prophecy and music. The lyre symbolizes wisdom, moderation, and harmony. The color palette, predominantly white and gold, pays homage to the traditional attire of Greek gods. Ladies and gentlemen, the gods and goddesses of the ancient Greeks.
Ginamera.
Jesus.
My name is Vanderlei Azmitsigulu,
I am Pranel Lapiawal.
representing Ten Equity. And we are representing the country, Greece.
The national attire of Puerto Rico reflects its rich blend of Spanish, African, and Taino influences. Traditional clothing for women is the jibara dress, featuring a long, colorful dress with white, blue, and red colors, often worn with a flower in the hair.
The traditional attire of men in Puerto Rico is called guayabera, a light bottom-down polo shirt or shirt paired with trousers and a straw hat. These outfits are commonly seen during festivals and cultural celebrations, symbolizing Puerto Rican pride and heritage. Again, presenting to you the Great Nine representatives wearing the attire of the Puerto Rico.
Buenos días a todas. I am Samantha Jane Biblia Marta.
Saludos a todos. I am Floydes Navus from Night Chicory.
We are representing Puerto
Rico.
Her cowbell hat crowns her courage, while her boots echo the rhythm of freedom with endless step. Embodying both grit and glamour, she is the Norwegian cowgirl, bold, fearless, and unapologetically stylish, ready to conquer the runway with country pride and dazzling charm. She is not just a vision of style, but a symbol of empowerment. A dazzling cowgirl who blends rustic charm with timeless elegance, riding her own path with beauty, confidence, and heart.
Dapat miniskirt din na cover.
Mira, step in the wilderness as we celebrate the timeless charm of American cowboy fashion. For rugged meets style, from wide-brim hats and leather boots to denim jeans and checkered shirts, the cowboy attire captures the spirit of freedom, adventure, and the great open place of the USA, Saddle up and get ready to strut with Western pride. Ladies and gentlemen, from the USA, from the grade 9B.
I'm Christian.
From
Achoo!
Bless you.
Bless you and bless everyone.
From nine blessedness, my little.
In the saddle, representing USA.
The traditional attire of Mexico is colorful and full of cultural meaning. For girls, the traditional dress is called the China poblana. It usually includes a white embroidered blouse paired with a long, colorful skirt decorated with sequins and patterns, often in the colors of the Mexican flag, red, white, and green. Girls often wear their hair in braids, tied with ribbons or adorned with flowers, and may use a rebozo, a wooden shovel, over their shoulders.
The traditional attire of Mexico is colorful and full of cultural meaning. For boys, the traditional outfit is known as the choro suit. This includes a fitted jacket and trousers with silver buttons along the sides, worn with a white shirt and a large bow tie. The look is completed with a wide-brimmed sombrero and black boots. The choro suit represents the elegance and bravery of Mexican horsemen, while the China poblana symbolizes grace, culture, and national pride. Again, presenting to you the grade 9A for the country Mexico.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? I am Jesse Miguel from 9 of the Beat.
I am Princesa Sidongal from 9 of the
Together, we represent Mexico!
Kyoto. The kimono graces the stage, a modern bloom inspired by Japan's classic kimono. Its light blue fabric mirrors the sky's tranquility, capturing the quiet, strength, and elegance of Japanese women. Blending tradition with modern charm in kimono reflects Japan's spirit of harmony, graceful, gentle, and ever-evolving, just like the nation it proudly represents.
Stepping to the stage with elegance and poise, represent Japan's timeless treasure, the kimono. This customized blue kimono is a masterpiece that combines timeless tradition with a personal touch of creativity. Viewed in shades of calming beauty, this masterpiece tells a story of peace, harmony, and respect. Every fold and layer whispers centuries of culture, artistry, and devotion of beauty. Once worn by nobles and now cherished by generations, the kimono of Japan's grace for traditional peace and serenity. Once again, presenting to you the Japan Cup Grade A-D.
Which symbolizes happiness, luck, fortune, longevity, and yearning for peaceful interpersonal relationships and harmony. Holding its rich history and heritage, originally from the Qing dynasty, which emerged in the 1920s as a more fitted garment, emphasizing a woman's form of incorporating Western influences in the traditional Chinese fan, which symbolizes their elegance and tradition, and a symbol of status and aesthetic appreciation in the Chinese society.
China. Its widely known outfit is a chiba for men, originally from the Qing dynasty.
Black as nightfall and golden as sunrise. The heart of creativity lies in its price, a representation of Singapore's cultured pride. Within, each pattern tells a story it can't hide. Standing tall and carrying a 4-yard tray, designed in gold by hand, attached a black flowing throughout it. With a sack of the Reliance figure, the mascot of Singapore, presenting our one-of-a-kind representation of Singapore's culture.
All of music in the nature in the skies, in the light sky, in the light city where our spirit lies, the traditional glimpse that were created by sun, from wonders and vines, and the shade of red and white. For the accessories, gold beads with a touch of Chinese culture is wrapped around the arm, and a belt that shines with the
Man-picture
sun.
ka, man-picture siya. Ano may tasdi
Again, from the country Singapore, grade 8A.
Ni hao ma. Good morning to everyone. I am Joseph Zane Vietnam. Hi, thanks. It is an honor and a privilege to be standing here in front, representing grade 8.
Traditional Korean attire of Kalinga, which represents bravery, identity, and connection to their ancestral roots. The feather on their head symbolizes courage and honor, while the colorful beads identify their social status and tribal affiliation. The Kalinga tattoos, once earned through acts of valor, represent strength, beauty, and life's milestones. The Igarots also showcase traditional practices, such as lusuan and pagbay, symbolizing hard work and unity in preparing food. They also have bilao containing ikat, kiniin, watwat, and tamay, which represent their bountiful harvest, generosity, and deep gratitude to the spirits and ancestors for life's blessings. The Kalinga coffee represents warmth, hospitality, and the spirit of community, as sharing a cup of coffee reflects friendship, respect, and the strong social bonds that unite the Igorot people.
Baboy! Starting before you is the spirit.
Ano ang Tagalog ko?
Where tradition must progress,
Oh,
every
okay.
year, no hard feelings. Hospitality, hope, and pride.
From the sacred island where arts of prayer in every moment tells the story, comes the vision of beauty and pride, the enchanting spirit of Indonesia. Draped in the royal hues of purple and red, they stand as symbols of harmony and heritage. The purple, the color of nobility and wisdom. Their intricate head accessories crafted with devotion, crown them with elegance, a tribute to the island's artistry and its deep reverence for culture and faith. And every step flows the rhythm of the Balinese soul, graceful, powerful, and eternal. Behold, Mr. and Miss Europe Indonesia, adorned and balanced purple and red attire.
Behold, Mr. and Miss UN Indonesia adorned. The outline is the pride of the nation. It is the pride of every woman every time she puts it on. A woman in outline projects an image of quiet confidence and refined femininity. The modest neckline and long sleeves suggest a sense of reserved elegance, while the flowing panels and graceful drape of the fabric embody a spirit of beauty and beauty. The image captures a striking portrait of Vietnamese elegance embodied by a woman adorned in a vibrant yellow outfit. This traditional garment is a symbol of Vietnamese cultural identity and is presented with a blend of classic design and delicate artistry, creating a visual captivating scene.
The most recognizable formal garments is the audena, or men's long gown. This attire is studied and controlled verticality. It maintains the height, or the high, tailored collar, that frames the neck and chin, suggesting formality and respect. In this diverse sartorial landscape, the hat or the headdress is often the crowning glory, the ultimate marker of identity and allegiance, transforming simple clothing into a declaration of heritage. The beauty of Vietnamese men's attire lies in its blend of tradition and refinement. It is not merely clothing, but a cultural statement. Again, from the Vietnam.
Hello everyone! Hello everyone, or should I say, Sin Chow Tun Ka Moy Ngay. I am Iyana Tiyanti de la Cruz, representative of Grade 7C Cordiality. A nation's culture is the light that guides the world. And again, I'm Iana Teti de la Cruz, representative of Grade 7C Cordiality. I am honored to represent the rich heritage of Vietnam. Thank you.
The future is something like we want, but the future is something we wait, but we want. But through nation's independence and freedom, I'm Ayan James Kuya from 7C Cordiality, and I'm proud to be here representing Vietnam.
Once again, Cambodia!
Ingat na pala.
I will sustain
Kanana.
with honor and pride, we bring you the spirit of our nation.
A land of golden sunrise and ancient skies, where history lives and beauty never dies.
Where temples stand tall, proud and true, and every smile shines warm and new.
A nation of courage, culture, and grace.
Timeless treasure in Asia's embrace.
My names are Yana Shaira P. Villavicencio.
I am Jazzer Light and Hub
From 7 Bravery, proudly representing the heritage and pride Cambodia.
Representatively attired in traditional Thai regala, Chutak, comprising an intricately designed suit, dress skirt, and a gracefully draped high-violet upper garment, complemented by exquisite gold jewelry that adds to her majestic aura. On her head rests the magnificent Crown Maha, the great crown of victory, an emblem of Thai royalty that embodies the noble ideals of power, victory, honor, and spirituality.
He is proudly using a trophy from Thailand called Chutai with a cap called Prarat Chakat, paired with a stylish sabai sash that adds a touch of Thai regal charm. This traditional outfit isn't just beautiful, it tells the story of Thailand's rich culture and craftsmanship. Wearing a chutai feels like embracing a piece of heritage, as the Thai say, Pham Pen Sako. Being Thai is about embodying nobility and grace. There's artistry in every fold and thread in Laban Heng Jetai, are born from the heart.
Once again, representatives from the country of Thailand.
Sawadika, my name is Shirley Aglet.
And my name is Christian Escon.
From grade 7 Aquability, proudly representing the land of smiles, Thailand, a country known for its rich culture and breathtaking landscapes.
From lush rainforests to stunning beaches, we're
Nations around the